See next question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemispherical from each end of the solid cylinder, is shown in the adjacent figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and the base of radius 3.5 cm, then find the total surface area of article. This is a cylinder of height 10 cm, radius 3.5 cm. It's a solid cylinder, and from both ends, hemispherical is moved out. Drill out from both ends. So you have to see the figure just like this. So what is surface area of this solid? So total surface area of remaining solid, that is the these two surface, CSA of cylinder, and this surface, this is the CSA of cylinder, and these are the twice of the CSA of hemisphere, because only CSA form of surface, inner just like slope, inside here top and bottom both side, and all the here are the cylindrical shape. This is 2 pi r h, this is 2 into 2 pi r square, CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, 2 pi r common, h plus 2r. So put the value of pi is not given, that's your choice, you can put here. Radius value 3.5, h 10, 2 into 3.5, decimal move 10, 7 5 35, 5 to a 10, 2 to cancel, 22 into 7 plus 10, 17. So 72 are 34, 72 are 38, 37 centimeter square. 374 centimeter square is the total surface area of remaining solid when from the both end of the solid cylinder have the hemisphere are scooping out extra. If the question wants find the volume of solid, so there is no confusion. Volume is only what you have to done, adding paste or scooping, a paste plus scooping minus means volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of hemisphere. From the whole volume, 2 hemisphere is subtract, so we get the volume of solid. Pause the video, note down. Hello students, welcome. The next video of the class 10 surface area and volumes, video number 14. The question is a problem class. The question standing from your side. The hemispherical tank of diameter 3 meter is full of water. Hemispherical tank, diameter 3 meter, so radius 3 by 2 meter, is full of water, hole filled by water. It is being emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3 hole 4 by 7 liter per second. It is empty by pipe. Rate of water flow from pipe is 3 hole 4 upon 7 liter per second means 21 plus 4 25 by 7 liter per second. The 24 by 7 liter water in 1 second is flow out from this pipe from the hemispherical tank. How much time will take to make the tank half empty? How much time to take the empty half tank? Means half tank taking how many times to empty it? So if I say volume of half tank, first you want to find it, volume of half tank. So that is 2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of full tank, but upon 2. It is the volume of half tank. So we can write 2 by 3 into 2 by 1 is the right 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. Pi value is given 22.7 and the radius is 3 by 2 whole cube. So we can write 2 cancel. 22 by 7, 1 by 3, 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. 1 3 cancel, 2 11s are. So here 11 3 33 plus 99 upon 28 meter cube. 99 upon 28 meter is the volume of half tank. So how many take the time for this? If I say this water how many liter? You know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. That is 99 upon 28 into 1000 liter. Means we convert the capacity in liter. You say 1 second is equal to 25 by 7 liter water. In 1 second 25.7 liter water is away from the pipe. Then you want to find this liter, you can write opposite 25.7 liter water in 1 second. So 1 liter water in 1 upon 25 by 7 second. It's a simply unitary method. That's a reciprocal. Just like 25 chocolate costs 1 rupees, 1 chocolate costs 1 by 25. So we can write 7 by 25 second. Means 1 liter water move out from this tank, from this pipe, that is 5 by 25 second. So we want this liter. So 99 upon 28, 99,000 upon 28 liter water taking time. Taking time is equal to 7 by 25 is the 1 liter time. So this liter into upon 28 second. 7 for 28. 25 4 is 100. So this and this make 20 cancel. So 990 second. So you can divide it by 990 divided by 60. 61 is 39. 66 is 360. 30 means 16 minute 30 second taking time to tank empty half. I hope so you understand. We first find the half tank volume, then we find how many time taken to move 1 liter water. So 1 liter water take time 7.25 second. So if this liter water take time, this into this second. So second convert into minute by 1 divide by 60. Pause, we note down. Next question. A ice cream container is cylindrical in shape of radius 6 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Means this hole filled with ice cream. Not for you, this for me. If this ice cream is distributed among 10 children, oh, this is for you, 10 children. So this is ice cream distributed with you 10 children, means 10 children. It take a shape of ice cream, a lower end with the conical and the upper end with the hemisphere. Means 10 students take these types of shape of ice cream from this container, so container is empty. If the height of the conical shape is the 4 times of the radius of hemisphere, let radius to be r, so height to be 4r. This is r, this is 4r, because it is given that the height of the conical part is 4 times the radius of the base of hemisphere. So find the radius of the hemisphere. If you understand the question, so it's easy to solve it. Very simple question. Volume of whole ice cream, means in simple word that is cylinder, is equal to 10 into volume of 1 child got ice cream, and 10 child got ice cream in shape of volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Cylinder in shape, so it's pi r square h. Here 10 volume of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube small r, cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h, I am not putting the value. See the concept beta. Not only see, understand the questions, also see how we solve the question in easy way and the simpler way and the without any extra calculation. 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square, and h is the 4r. So upon 3 common, pi common and r cube common. Pi r cube by 3 is common. So what remain? Here is only 2 remain and here is only 4 remain. Or in simple word you can say 4 pi r cube by 3, 2 pi r cube by 3, so 6 pi r cube by 3. Pi cancel. So then put the values. R is 6 into 6. Height, oh there's a misprint beta. That's the height is 15 centimeter. is the height of ice cream. You can check in the question. Height is 15 centimeter, and is 15. 10 is same. R cube by 3 same into 6. 3 2 is 6. R cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 15. 10 and 2 in division form. 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. So you can say R cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. So radius of the ice cream is 3 centimeter. Pause video and note down.